What's up guys, Realtor Ray here. If you haven't seen my video before, I'll put the link up there or down below in the description. Came back from Mercedes in Beverly Hills and nothing wrong. Routine maintenance, oil change, topped off all fluids. They did recommend me changing the fuel filter. They said, you know, every 10,000 to 15,000, or maybe you could do it with your service A level, but you know, it's up to you. Peace of mind for me, $700 later, parts and labor. They were saying that the fuel here in the US is actually a lot dirtier than Europe. I'm not sure if it was a solid sales pitch, but whatever. You know, just want to be safe on the road and keep my rig running. So without further ado, this video is going to be about the options and upgrades. So let's get into it.
So first optional upgrade is the Alcoa Dura aluminum wheels. You'll notice here in the front, they're supposed to be lighter and offer better performance. It'll set you back about $2,900 extra. Right here you'll see I added a tire pressure monitoring system. They're actually numbered. Here's 1 and 2 in the front, and heading towards the rear is 3 and 4 for the inner tires, and 5 and 6 for the outer wheels. Great wheels. Actually had to go back to the service shop and I found a little leak in one of the tires. Here are the lug nut covers they took off, and here on the inside, about with 10,000 miles on it, still had pretty good rotors and brake pads left. You'll notice that you know, after taking off the inner tire here, it wasn't actually a nail or rock. It was actually a valve stem that was leaking. Here's a picture of it. Make sure it's nice and tight on the inner there, otherwise you'll be leaking. Here's the front of one of the aluminum wheels, and when I went back home, one of the lug nut covers was missing. I'll put a link below where you can find more in the future on Amazon. Here's a picture of the leveling jack, so you want me to put a little 2x4 to raise it high enough. This optional upgrade is the 4-point leveling jacks. You actually can get 2 as well. I'm not sure if they offer it now in 2021, but Dean, if you're watching, let us know. I got the 4 leveling jacks. There's 2 in the front, 2 in the rear here, as you can see. There's an auto leveling option switch in the rig, which I'll show you in a second. These are snap pads are actually added onto the leveling jacks. I'll put a link below where you can find them on Amazon. But highly recommend when you're auto leveling, the first 2 in the front will go down, and then the ones in the rear will go down and kind of adjust as needed. But definitely needed for you know, leveling your rig. Inside the rig, above the stairwell, you'll find the equalizer system to level your jacks. You can download this mobile app. I'll put the link below where you can get that. Really convenient. You can be outside and level and visually see all the jacks going down. Next optional upgrade is the Macerator, and this will set you back about $900 over to the rear where the service center is. You'll see the on and off switch right there, and down below that you'll see the valves for the black and gray dump. It's got a big hose here, about 10 feet. Keeps everything nice and clean. Really highly recommend. Easy to use. It's no problems here. I like to keep things really nice and organized. It's got a little cap there. You put that in a sewer dump sewage, and tucks away nice and neat. Next optional upgrade is the LP generator. This will set you back about $4,500. I went with this because it had auto start. The other option would be the 3.2 Onan diesel, which is use your diesel gas to run. But with this one, it's very convenient to have. This is where you access the panel, and just make sure that your liquid propane is topped off. This optional upgrade is the remote Key Fob Entry. This will be an extra $400, but very convenient to go in and out of your coach. And you'll see here is the remote. It's been updated over the years. You'll get 2 sets of keys just like this. This key is for the side coach door, and the other side coach door here key for the deadbolt. The other key here is the key that unlocks all the storage compartments. Here's another optional exterior table. This costs you around $500 to upgrade. Great design, really durable. It's all metal. Comes with stands built in. Tucks away nicely in the lift there in the large compartment if you wish, or inside. Go ahead and just open it up, put it on the hinges outside of your rig, lock it in place there. Make sure it's sturdy, and you can adjust the legs if you want as well. I use it a lot for when I'm out camping and barbecuing out in the campsites. Next option is the battery lithium upgrade. This will set you back about $3,800. When I had my 2020 van, I didn't have this option, but now they do in 2021. You'll notice that I upgraded to the lithium battle borns here afterwards, but highly recommend. Get you better maintenance going forward. I also added the Victron Energy battery monitor here by the stairwell. This can go anywhere inside your rig. Next option is the exterior ladder. It's a two-piece optional exterior ladder to easily access the top of your roof. It'll cost around $400. This is my rig without it. I just opted without it. I didn't think I was going to go on the roof that often, but if you like to go up there and convenience, you can also do that for cleaning and for maintenance as well. I opted out just for aesthetic reasons. Next option is the solar panels. You can get 200 or 400 watt flex solar panels. You can see on top of the roof there's actually 4 that I went with. You can actually just get 2. Each panel is about 100 watt. Really convenient to have if you're boondocking. You want to just keep that all topped off there with the energy. If you're in the city like me, I hardly use it, but obviously I plan on going on boondocking more often. If you guys know anywhere to boondock, let me know. I'm planning to do a lot more of it, so I'm glad I got these. Again, this is going to cost you an extra $1,500 for the 200 and almost $3,000 for the 400 watt solar panels. Inside here you'll find the access panel for the to monitor your batteries for the solar panel. Next option is the security safe inside your rig. This will cost you about $400 extra. It's not too big in size, but you can probably put your iPad or Surface Pro in there. Also keeps your jewelry, your cash, your passports, anything valuable in there as well. Highly recommend you have this as an option. Keep you safe. Right here is the optional key in case you forget your passcode. It's an option there for you to open it. Next optional upgrade is the WineGuard satellite dish. This will cost you around $1,900 to upgrade and have it installed by a factory. I just stuck with the WineGuard Wi-Fi extender on the top of the roof here. I use satellite via Wi-Fi and any channels and movies with the internet, so it's good to go there. Inside the rig you'll find the on and off switch for the WineGuard right here, and also to power cycle the antenna next to that. Next optional upgrade is the front Dinette inflatable mattress kit. This costs around $800. You can actually get this after you buy your rig. I actually went with the Aero bed off of Amazon. I'll put the link below. Does the trick and keeps you nice and comfortable.
Alright guys, there's my leisurevans Unity RL rear lounge options and upgrades. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button if you want to see future videos like this. Other than that, put any questions and suggestions you have about future videos down in the comments below. I'll do my best to get that going for you guys. Other than that, hope to see you guys on the road.